Today we have short demonstration of this air compressor. It's a KAESER ASD series. It's direct drive screw air compressor over 3 cubic meters per minute. It's 10 bar screw air compressor. It's 8.5 kilowatts per air compressor with integrated air dryer. The interesting thing about this machine is that it has built-in heat exchanger, so you can heat up water, and it's low hours on this machine. It's around 24,000, I think. Yes, 24,000 and 18,000 hours on load. Let's check the inside. Everything seems neat. And in good shape. So let's start up.